Hello everybody, are you enjoying it? I believe you want more of me, but I don't believe this.
No, say more Marky. No, say
you want more Marky?
Say hashtag more Marky.
Hashtag more Marky? Well, we'll have to see. Come on down here, have a look at this.
Mark's explain.
Depollution. We've asked for an oil container wall up for all the oil, excess oil, if you have any spillages in the container. And they're putting plastic containers for all the antifreeze, oil, brake fluid, and other accessories that come from the vehicles when we depollute them.
I'll tell you what, that was quite good, that, Marcus.
Do you want me to finish it off or not?
Go on, you finish it off.
So basically, Mark's basically hit the nail on the head. We've built a bunded area, which is waterproof, which will hold more than 110% of any IBC at any one time.
Wow.
Amazing.
Amazing.
And also, as to save space and more efficient, we've built some racking. So we're going to sit the tanks on here. We're only probably going to go 2 high, sorry, where we can get 4 tanks on. Built some more racking there. Then we're going to have the frame over there. We've just bought a new compressor. Can that come this way, my friend?
Big boy.
We like big compressors, don't we, Matty?
Yeah. Plenty of output. We want plenty of output.
This is what we call the, what model is it? The
Big Blue.
No. You can't say that, that's Dean and Luke's next to Big Blue. B630-270. Yeah. And that's because it's a 270 litre tank. Big boy. So this is firing out some serious pressure.
Constantly, keeping at that.
He's done it, I think he's going to shut it off.
I'm turning off in a minute, hurry up, we're going to go back to work.
Go on, do what you...
No, I've been working on it yet, eh? Right, I've just set off to get some more wire, 3-phase wire for these ramps. So we want to be getting these fit today, ready for pouring the concrete, but we just need to take our time with the wiring, because once that concrete is poured, you can't alter it. If there's any breaks in the wire, any loose connections, just anything wrong. So we're just going to not double check, not triple check, we're going to check about 5 times just to make sure it's bang on, get all the conduit on, because it's all in conduit as well, obviously, so the concrete doesn't get to it. So it's a bit of a mind-boggling day, but we'll get it done. And then we want to be pouring the concrete on Saturday. So within a week, we want to be breaking with 4 ramps, 4, oh, I just beat my hand then, 4 pitching bays. I mean, that's really good, that. And then obviously just processing as many. Depollution bays getting done as well. I've not really recorded that too much this week, that's a separate video. But yeah, it's all coming to, it's all clicking into place, boys. That's what we like. Anyway, see you there. Right, we're at the builder's yard now. Valley Building Supplies in Baxenden. Just gonna get the cement. Right, we're at City Lake. There we go. Nice little shop in Baxenden Industrial Estate, or Carter's Industrial. So we're going to get the wire. See you soon. Yeah, right. We've turned the electric off in the unit. We're running the 3-phase for these 2 cassettes, and obviously because the other 2 ramps, the 3-phase wires were still ran, but we couldn't put them in the conduit because obviously we wasn't up to this stage. So we're rerunning them through all this. We've got all the conduit in place, so I just need to run through it now. Wires are here for the motors. Also with the air line, that's like a backup in case the power ever fails. You can run them up and down with just air. As you can see though, look at all the wires here. A lot of wires. Right, welcome back boys, Monday morning. Concrete were poured on Saturday, so it's had all weekend to dry. I've just jet washed it this morning. So now I'm going to unbolt the brackets and then yeah, see what it's like. So I've undone the bolts, and like I said, so I'm just going to cut these heads off these nuts now. Right, big reveal. Ooh, a bit's gone in.
Oh, there's a bit. Oh, it's not too bad.
No. Oh, I'm happy with that. I thought it was going to be in full. A little bit of concrete's got on the edge, but I can clean that back. So yeah, result. Unbelievable. Right. Got the first ramp lying down, ready to clean now. Just giving it a quick wire brush. I just oil it all up, just get it, clean it with a bit of petrol and oil, and just wipe it down. Just give it a nice little clean before it goes in, you see. And then got another one to clean, and we can start dropping them in. Right, today these bad boys are going in. Right, so I've cleaned them all. I mean, a little bit of surface rust, but I mean, they are clean, and I've gone over them with some, just a little bit of diesel, just to keep that like oily coat on them, because once they're in, you can take them out, but obviously it's not the easiest job. I've been doing more preparation on these. So what I've done now, I've put a ratchet strap around the top here, just as I lift it, you see. I also, the ram is inside this, so if I lift that end up, stood up in the air, the ram's going to drop through the bottom. So I've had to put a ratchet covering the metal bit here. As you can see on this side, I've not done it yet. So this is actually what the lifting power is. That's the ram inside there. So that ram, that bar is all the way up here, and when you lift it, it comes out. That's what comes out. So as I lift it, I don't want it dropping into the cassette and leaking everywhere. We're just going to put in some rubber gaskets on here. We didn't get the gaskets with it, so we're just making some out of some inner tubes. So when the ramp's sat down, you don't want any water going in the cassette. I mean, it only takes a little drip, but it'll always, over years, it'll start getting rusty and stuff.
One down, lads. One down.
I'm not coming for a fist pump, yeah? Oh, no, you stand there. Right, this is the final stage. Just took everything off now. We're just going to lower it into place. You get one out, Kenny. Right, we're not going to drop the motor in. We're going to bang the motor in, aren't we?
Try not to drop it, yeah?
Yeah, we don't want to be dropping it down there, do we? You've had enough of climbing in there, haven't you, Kenny?
Yeah.
You told me you like climbing in there, though.
I like any hole that's tight.
That's not time, mate. Right, we're ready. Do you want to... Ooh, God damn, it's quite heavy, that. Right, can you take a bit of weight and off?
Yeah.
Just whilst we get it on. That was the cushion then.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to have to do a head lean here, ready? 1 minute. Oh yeah, I've got head lean on. Because my head's on that tire. Right, do you want me to do it?
Yeah, great.
Right, you should be able to let go of that. That's alright. Yeah, that's it. Right, I'll get one under there. Right, let's go and get I think that's 13 mil that. Go and get a 13 mil for them.
13?
Is it 13 or 13?
13 or 13.
Oh, must be 15. Ah, bigger. Oh. Bloody, who said 13, Kenny? I told you I said 15.
You did, you said 15.
I said 15. We've done, basically, we've brought the camel back, 6 it sounds. But it's basically in. All we need to do now is the wires, there's some solenoids here, a little safety solenoid, so if one ram ever fails, it will actually still stay up. This is the air line, in case we have a power cut, we can still operate the ramp.
Fucking minute.
It's not, is it? I bet it's a 17. Oh! Bloody hell, Kenny! I said, how can you get mixed up with a 17 and a 13?
13 then, and then
I said 17. I did! You must need to get them ears cleaned. I said 17. You can tell I don't do the Spanish, can't you, me? Right, I'll see you in a bit, boys. Oh my G. Unbelievable. The mess is over here. Last one's going in, boy. We've got the lifting straps on. These are very decent heavy duty things, obviously for safety. We're going to lift this one up now. That one's in. All cleaned. Big stew. Get them wheels to the corners, Kenny.
Hi everybody, are you having fun? I like your comments on me, having me coming into the videos
Yes.
and everything else. I most appreciate it.
Marcus didn't believe it when I said people want more market.
No, I didn't.
So
I thought I was.
you are that big in your pants. Hey! Right, I can't still believe we've hit 1,000 subscribers. I mean, I feel like a celebrity. No, I don't hear it. But we enjoy making these videos for you. So we're going to keep making them.
We're getting better and better.
Keep on liking, we appreciate it. Subscribing, commenting, hit the bell.
Yes.
And comment what you want to see. Tell us what you want to see in these videos. If there's anything you think, oh, they've not said that, or this. I know I've got one to do on the eBay. Marcus is dancing, yeah, that's what he's shouting.
More of my dancing.
They say that, but they won't dance. Right, we'll see you in a bit, boys. Nice one.